This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do hustle dance. First, let's get comfortable with the basic step. The hustle is typically danced to a 4-count rhythm, often feeling like an 1, 2, 3. Start by stepping back with your left foot on 1, then bring your right foot back to meet it on 2. Step forward with your left on 3, and bring your right foot forward on 4. Keep your movements fluid and relaxed. Now, let's add some side-to-side movement to your hustle. After your basic forward and backward steps, try stepping to the side. For example, step left with your left foot, then bring your right foot to meet it. Then, step right with your right foot, bringing your left foot to meet it. This adds a dynamic element and allows for more interaction with a partner. Focus on smooth transitions between the forward, backward, and side steps. Next, we'll introduce a basic turn. From your side-to-side movement, you can initiate a turn. For instance, as you step to the side, pivot on the ball of your foot to turn your body a quarter or half circle. Your partner would mirror this or perform a complementary turn. The key is to keep your weight centered and your steps small and controlled during the rotation. This adds flair and allows for more complex patterns. Finally, let's consider dancing with a partner and maintaining flow. The hustle is often a partner dance, with one person leading and the other following. Use light hand contact to communicate direction and intention. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm and connection with your partner. The goal is to move together seamlessly, adapting to each other's movements and enjoying the music. Practice makes perfect for a smooth, enjoyable hustle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.